Want to delete a Viber message so no one can see it? This video gets straight to the point and shows you exactly how to do it. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. For extra support, you can also join the channel membership. There is a standard Delete for Everyone feature that all users have, and we will also reveal the Viber Plus feature that literally lets you delete messages without a trace. To delete a Viber message, you will need to open the Viber app and go to the specific chat containing the message. You must then find the message you want to delete and long press on it, which means to press and hold it down. A new menu will appear with several options, and from this list you will need to select Delete. Viber will then give you the choice to delete for myself, or delete for everyone, or delete without a trace. Delete for myself will only remove it from my phone. The other person will still see it. We don't want that. Deleting for everyone will delete the message for all, but will keep a notification. So we will tap on Delete without a trace. You can start a free trial, and after you delete the message, you can cancel the trial. Tap on Try 14 days free. You will have to confirm the subscription. Now the subscription is done. Let's go back to the conversation. Do the same and select Delete without a trace. After you confirm your choice, the message will be deleted from the chat for all participants in the conversation. Now, look at the chat. The message is completely gone. There is no notification. There is no "you deleted a message." The chat just looks like the message was never sent at all. This is the true no-trace deletion. The recipient will not be notified that anything was deleted. For more short and concise videos, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to leave a like and a comment.